Hi Patricia, this is Mark Houston. I saw your comment that whenever you're pressing the play button, the app would crash. But I downloaded the file from this turn in to test the application. I tested it in the simulator. I tested it on my iPhone 6 and the iPad Air, and it did not crash. Um, in this video, I'm just going to be showing you me downloading the application and testing it on the simulator to show you that it doesn't crash. So, you want to go ahead and download it. Going to open it up. Open it in Xcode. It's on the iPhone 6 simulator. Press play to build it and run it on the simulator. Wait for that, go away. And then I'm going to press play, which is where I believe in your comment says every time I click play on either device, the app crash. But when I press play, nothing crashes. And you saw I did not change anything in the file. I didn't do anything to the file to manipulate it. Cancel, cancels it. I can, if you want, I can meet with you on campus at some time during this week to show this to you. I don't know what else to do because my app does not crash when the play button is tapped. Thank you.